Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Hotmail account. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in hotmail.com and hit enter. You may wonder why it took you to outlook.live.com instead of Hotmail. It is because Hotmail and Outlook both are owned by a single company named Microsoft, so you could say the both are kind of same. And in order to create a Hotmail account, on the bottom right side of the screen, you can see an option named Create Free Account. Click on it. Now, you have to create a new email, so type in a new email, and on the right side of it, instead of outlook.com, choose hotmail.com and click next. Then it will ask you to create a password for your Hotmail account. Simply type in a password which you want your account to have, and once you've done that, click next. Then it will ask you your name, so enter your first name and your last name. Click next. Enter your country or region and your birth date, and click next. And finally, you have to make sure that a real person is creating this account instead of a bot. So to verify that you are a real human, you have to type in the characters you see on the screen. Click next. And there, you have successfully created a Hotmail account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational tips and tricks like these.